Hello friends, welcome to SMA vlog. I'm Shahid. Today I'm going to make a special snack which is carrot muffin, and in this video I'm going to show step-by-step process and the procedure we need to follow to make this carrot muffin. I hope you will be with me and I will show everything right now after this intro. Before going to start the process to make carrot muffin, I want to thank all my subscribers who already subscribed this channel, and also if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe my channel and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So now let's go for the process. So guys, to make this carrot muffin we need few ingredients. Now I will show the ingredients we need to make this carrot muffin. First we need to take 5 pieces of carrot. These carrots are small carrots, but you can take any size, any carrots. After grating this carrot, this need to be equivalent of 1 cup. So I took around 5 small carrots. That's all I have right now at home. So I'm going to take these 5 carrots. Next I need to use baking soda. This is a regular baking soda. You can use any type of baking soda. We are going to take only half a teaspoon of baking soda. Next is baking powder. I'm going to use only 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Next is sugar. I'm going to take 3/4 cup of sugar. Next is salt, and I'm going to use only 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, and finally I took some oil. It's a regular cooking oil, but you can use butter as well, but I'm going to use 3/4 cup of cooking oil, and finally I'm going to use 1.5 cup of regular all-purpose flour. So that's all ingredients I'm going to use to make this carrot muffin. So to start the process, first we need to use 2 bowls. One is for the liquid ingredients and another one is for flour and salt and all dry ingredients. So let's start with the liquid ingredients. Now at this point, before starting the process to cook, we need to start our oven to a temperature. That temperature is 350 Fahrenheit. So let's start the oven. I set the temperature in 350 Fahrenheit and the oven is in preheat mode, so it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to preheat. So by this time we can prepare our ingredients. First we'll start with 2 eggs. Now I need to put 3/4 cup of oil. So this is 3/4 cup of oil. At this point, one more ingredient we should put, that is vanilla essence, but unfortunately I don't have it at home right now, so I'm not going to use it. The main purpose of vanilla essence is to give you some flavor of vanilla, but it's, for me, I consider that this is not a mandatory item. If you want, you can put it and it will give you extra vanilla flavor, and that's it. So I'm not going to use it. So this is done for now. Now I need to put 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So 1 cup and half cup. After putting this all-purpose flour, I need to put half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, and now I'll put 3/4 cup of sugar. So at this point we need to mix it, but we'll not add any extra water now. We'll add this liquid, I mean our oil and egg, into this flour, and very slowly we have to stir it. Now for mixing this we can use a hand mixture, but be mindful that I'm going to use only one what is called blade, because I'm not going to use two, because if we use two it will be it will mix so quickly and the area will become messy, and if you use only one it will mix this dough very slowly, which is our intention. Now at this point we'll add our carrots. Now I'm adding a little bit of water. So at this point we should be aware that we do not want to mix it too much. We will just mix it a little bit. When you see this dough is like that, it's almost done. We'll mix it a little bit and this is ready to go. So at this point we'll transfer this mix or the dough to the baking tray. So now we'll put this paper, so one tip I can tell you right now at this point, if you use this kind of paper, it's very nice and it will give the muffin a professional look. But if you don't have this paper, it's okay, you don't need this paper. In that case you can put some extra oil inside this hole and just you can rub the oil with your hand so that the muffin will not stick with this tray. But luckily I had this paper at home, so I'm lucky today. So guys, my tray is ready now. Now this will go inside the oven in 350 degree Fahrenheit. So I'm setting the temperature in 350 degree Fahrenheit and I will set it for next 17 minutes. So I set the timer for 17 minutes. I have to wait for next 17 minutes. I hope the muffins will be very nice. and so delicious. So let's wait. So guys, after 17 minutes, see the muffins. Wow, so nice. We have to put it for 2-3 minutes to cool down, and then we'll take these muffins out of this tray. So guys, my muffins are ready. This is the muffin. Now I'm gonna try this muffin. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, as I told you, see this paper is coming off from this muffin very easily, and this is the specialty of this paper. If you don't use this paper, your texture will not be like this. So it is a really professional look for this muffin. Now I'm going to open this paper. Okay, let's break it into half. See how nice this muffin is, and you can see all these carrots. Now I can get a very nice flavor of carrot and also this muffin flavor. As I told you, if you used before like the vanilla essence, it will give you a little bit different smell, but now it's not bad, it's really good. Let's try it. It tastes really good, and the sugar is perfect. It's not too sweet. And one tip I can tell you, after making this muffin dough, you can put this tray inside the freezer if you want to store it for later time. After it becomes frozen, you can take this tray out and take all these muffins raw out of the tray and save them or store them in the freezer for a long time. And whenever you need to bake, you can just put that muffin again back into the tray and put it in the oven frozen. This is a way to save your time for future muffins. However, this muffin is very nice and very easy to prepare, so I'm going to enjoy this muffin now. I hope you guys like this video and you will make this muffin by yourself and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.